Entrepreneurship is a journey of perseverance and innovation. Today, we present two inspiring entrepreneur. Josh Mojica, the founder of Kangkong Chip in the Philippines, and Mark Zuckerberg, the creator of Facebook, now Meta.
Josh Mojica transformed kangkong water spinach into a unique and successful snack. His vision was to create a healthy, locally sourced product that Filipinos would love. He faced challenges including funding and product acceptance, but his dedication and innovative marketing helped establish his brand. Mojica advises aspiring entrepreneurs to stay creative, embrace challenges, and find opportunities in local resources.
Josh Mojica's kangkong chips have now gained widespread popularity, becoming a well-loved snack in the Philippines. With increasing demand, his brand has extended its reach, supplying to major markets, stores, and online platforms. The success of his ventures showcases how innovation and perseverance can turn a simple local ingredient into a thriving business, inspiring many aspiring entrepreneurs.
Mark Zuckerberg co-founded Facebook in 2004, aiming to connect people worldwide. His ability to innovate and adapt helped Facebook grow into Meta, one of the world's largest tech companies. He faced challenges such as competition and privacy issues but overcome them. Through strategic expansion, acquiring Instagram and WhatsApp, Zuckerberg advised to entrepreneurs and to take risks, learn from failures, and stay focused on long-term goals.
Under Zuckerberg leadership, Meta has grown into a tech giant, continuously evolving to adapt new digital trends, with billions of users worldwide. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp remain dominant in the social media industry. His commitment to innovation, including ventures into artificial intelligence and metaverse, cements Meta's position as leader in the digital age.
The success of Josh Mojica and Mark Zuckerberg shows that with determination and innovation, anyone can turn a small ideas into something great. Entrepreneurship is about solving problems and creating impact. Maybe their stories inspire us to pursue our dreams with passion and commitment.
The success of Josh Mojica and Mark Zuckerberg shows that with determination and innovation, anyone can turn a small idea into something great. Their journeys highlight the importance of resilience and creativity and overcoming challenges. Entrepreneurship is about solving problems and making an impact. May these stories inspire us to take risks, embrace opportunity, and pursue our dreams with passion and commitment.